I seen that this one thrift store was open, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go see what they have in there and do a thrift haul because I miss thrifting. How about y'all? I don't typically wear a mask in public, honestly, because I can't breathe in it. It's so hot, especially this one. This is a mask that I actually use when I'm like spray painting or like using a sprayer to paint. And so this one is very, very difficult to breathe in. So I'm gonna try, but it's already like hot in this bitch. So I also saw this, and I'm welcome to all. This is cute. That kind of stuff would be cute in the booth. And the witch's broom, because you know, people on Instagram always want to talk about my crystals and sage and stuff and say I'm a witch. So I probably should start flying around on one of these. This cloth is super, super cute, and it's also heavy. But that's the thing I don't like about this store. They just overcharge for everything. Like, why the fuck is this $10? It's a great clock. And I might actually still get it because I'm thinking I probably could sell it for about $40. You know, and not have to paint it or do anything to it. So we'll put that inside. Y'all, that's what I missed about thrifting, honestly, because when you sit up here and you have to paint every single thing that you're selling, it takes up a lot of effing time, and your girl was tired. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to find some mirrors in here because mirrors usually go for a lot of money. Look at these. I think these are like for books. What do you call those things? These are cool. I'm gonna get them. They only want $1.98 each for these, and I can stage these in a picture and sell them pretty fast. Guys, so these are the hands that you saw me pick up at the thrift store. All I did was literally spray paint them gold. They were like a rusty, like, I don't know, some type of metallic finish. But anyway, I used my Rust-Oleum's metallic bright gold spray paint. I linked it on my Amazon store if you guys want to get it. The link is in the description. And so I wrapped these books that I picked up for Kenzie from the thrift store. They are, what book is this? A Series of Unfortunate Events, and I got them for $1 each. The spines are colorful. So what I did for the photo was just wrap them in some cardstock. And then these are actually placemats that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. But I thought they looked really, really cute on the wall. So whenever I take pictures of the things that I'm buying, I always try to stage the photo so that it looks beautiful and attractive and that people want to click on it. So right now I have these listed on Facebook for $50 and I paid $1.98 for them each. Here is the clock. Now I don't mind meeting up with somebody for something cool like that. I'm thinking maybe $50. I'm gonna try it. Not like mom only cooler. Okay guys, here's a clock, and I remember I bought a clock for $3, added flowers to it, and sold it for $50. So they want $6.98 for this one. Let's see how you take it apart. Okay, so this one just has some simple screws. Hopefully once we stick a battery in it, it'll work. So all we did was add transfers to the center of it, and then we painted the outside white. So once I find the screws, it does work. We already put a battery inside of it. So what I'm gonna do is continue to look for the screws. We put them inside of a plastic bag, and somehow we have misplaced them. So as we clean up our house today, I'm sure we'll end up finding a little baggie. If not, we'll just take some glue it down and it'll be fine. And we'll probably sell this. I think it'll go for maybe 35, maybe 40. And these are just scrap transfers that we had left over. That's what I love about transfers, because they really help to give your items a brand new look. But oh my god, these are cute too. These will actually look cute in my client's house. I'm gonna give these spray paint them gold and see if she wants to buy them, which I'm sure she will. But yeah, the clock, guys, just screws. And then what I'm thinking is like, we could just put some flowers on the inside of them. Cute flowers, paint the outside white. Boom. Sell it for maybe $40, $50. Okay, guys, I have some furniture. They have this cute little piece right here. I'm gonna park my cart right there. They have this cute piece right here. This is $24.92. Super cute. I think it probably would have been used as like a sideboard or something. But this is nice. I don't feel like dealing with the inside of that. So never mind. So lots of pots. We're not gonna go down there. I don't really like to do pots. That kind of stuff took a little bit too long for me to sell. Golden bicycle. This face mask is so hard to breathe in, and it's getting moist. I guess my breath is hot. Okay. That is beautiful. This is detail on that thing. But $49.94, absolutely not. That's the only thing I don't like about this store. They are too expensive. So yeah, I'm leaving my purse there, but I'm not going far. Look at this freaking tulip table. The tulip table is a design from like the Frank Lloyd Wright era. Now they only want $24.92 for this. Look how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. And literally all you would have to do, all I would do anyway, is restaple this fabric, restaple it, clean it up, and post it online for sale. And people would go nuts for something like this. But I'm trying not to do anything heavy because I'm kind of having issues with my back right now. So I don't want to overextend myself with anything too heavy, which sucks. Especially when you find something that's at a good price like that. Alrighty. Ooh, huge rug. Okay. Looks pretty clean too. $74.97. This is probably an 8x10. I think that's kind of expensive for the thrift store. Cute rocking chair. Bottoms are stuff. I had a little old lady that I pick stuff up for her all the time. She freaking bought a rocking chair for $90 from someone, and I picked it up for her. That is beautiful. Look at that vanity. People been letting stuff like this go on Facebook for like $20, $40. So I would not pay $100. I love stuff with carved details like this and beautiful handles. So pretty. Oh, I think this is so gross to me. It probably has dust from like Jesus' error embedded in it. And I guess this is cute with the drop leaf. But I guess when I see stuff like this, I think about one my dad had, and it had mold all over it when I was little. I was like, why did he get rid of that thing? It's gross. So every time I see them, I'm just instantly disgusted. So there's quite a bit of stuff here. What I'm gonna do is look through the clothes a little bit because I've been jonesing for some new clothes. I'm gonna shop a little and then come back and tell you guys what I found. I don't know why I'm so attracted to this, and I think it's pretty. I think I'll look really cute in it, but kind of hesitating. I love flowers. I love light pastel colors. I like dresses you can throw on and look dress up. What do you guys think, ugly or not? Okay guys, so I picked up this dress. I thought it'd be cute for when I'm recording YouTube videos. It's like nice and bright. Or if I have to run and meet somebody really quickly to sell them something, I'll probably look cute. I got this dress, and then the first one, the 2 hands, the sconces, and the clock. And that's it. So that concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this thrift haul. Nasty and all. And I will see you guys. Comment down below which item was your favorite. And did you see anything that you think I should have got that I didn't get? Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.